History at St Anne's, 1962
Hello guys,
to
welcome back.
1966,
Today we are
and I'm
doing
currently
another
chairman
video
of the
on
Science
Deer
Museum
Hunter.
Group.
Hi, I'm Jackie Rowland. I graduated in modern languages from St Anne's in 1986, and I've been a television correspondent for 25 years.
Well, the rules are the same as for the student series. 10 points for starter questions there, solo efforts answered on the buzzer, and 15 points in total for a set of bonuses. They can be answered conferring between yourselves. So fingers on the buzzers, here's your first starter for 10. A Christmas gift to a dear child in memory of a summer day. These words were inscribed in the final 1864 manuscript of which story? Its origins lie in a tale first told to the three young daughters of Henry the
St Anne's Ramirez.
Alice in Wonderland.
Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, yes, or Alice's Adventures Underground, it's correct. Used alcohol-based tonic, first created in Venezuela in 1824. Also required in this Creole Christmas cake is half a teaspoon of which widely used aromatic spice, consisting of the grams and needed of which sugar,
This is my
taking
task.
its name from its place of origin in Guyana.
Muscovado.
No, it's Demerara sugar. I wouldn't go on Bake Off just yet. For this, what three-letter word in the English language has more definitions than any other? Those listed in the OECD?
Manchester Armitage.
Set.
Well done. You get a set of bonuses, Manchester, on the poet Sir Geoffrey Hill, who died in June 2016. Firstly, Hill's 1971 work, Mercian Hymns, is a collection that combines memories of the poet's childhood in the Midlands with a celebration of which 8th century ruler?
It's King Offa.
Correct, of Mercia. Secondly, they seem to me to be transcendently referring to fraught mind, timing and facial gesture. Hill mentioned which British comedy actor as an influence on his work. He played the lead role in a comedy series set in the 1st century BC.
I think it's Ken Dodd.
No, it's Frankie Howard in Up Bombay. 10 points for this. In 1902, Sir Ronald Ross was discovered by William Gregor in 1791. Deities to which Phoebe and Hyperion belong.
22. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, fluorine. I don't think so. Titanium.
Correct. Who's would have a historian, eh? And secondly, which hard blue-grey transition metal with atomic number 73 was discovered by Anders Ekeberg in 1802? Highly resistant to corrosion, it is named after a Greek king imprisoned eternally in Tartarus.
Chromium. 73. It's heavier than chromium. It's a group down.
Named after a Greek king.
I think we better have an answer here.
Manganese.
No, it's tantalum. And finally, which radioactive... Right, we're going to take a picture right now.
Third task.
You're going to see a lesson in the name of the carol.
St Anne's Roland.
Oh, come on, you faithful.
Indeed it is. That's the verse that's usually sung on Christmas Day, isn't it? Your picture bonuses are 3 more lesser-known verses from Christmas carols. Again, 5 points in each case if you can give me the name of the carol. Firstly...
Glorious now, behold him arise. How does that begin?
We Three Kings.
We Three Kings.
We Three Kings is correct.
Yes.
Here's the second one.
Now to the Lord sing praises, all you. God rest you, Mary.
Gentlemen.
Gentlemen.
Yes.
Yes.
And finally,
Away in a manger.
Away in a Manger. Would you like to sing that too? Right, 10 points for this. Fingers on the buzzers.
When nobody's got it.
4th task.
We don't know.
You can hear the rest of the question.
St Anne's Ramirez.
Henry James?
No, it's the worst poet in the English language, William Topaz McGonagall. 10 points for this. Ornamented with platinum and diamonds to resemble frost and sitting on a base designed to imitate a block of melting ice, the winter is a decorative object made in 1856 and the second 12 years later?
Fifth
Yeah.
task.
Correct. December of which year of the
Youthful
1960s saw the
Jaguar.
beginning of winter weather conditions persisted until the following March?
1962.
Correct. And finally, in late December 2015, which city of northern England was hit by severe floods when the River Ouse flowed back to combine with the River Foss?
York.
Correct. 10 points for this.
YOLO.
Defining characteristic of prose that is described as sesquipedalian. I'll tell you.
Sixth task.
Your bonus is 1983. Of whom does the Faber and Faber website say, a writer with a huge output? He wrote too much, but novels like Sinister Street and entertainments like Whiskey Galore deserve to survive.
Compton Mackenzie.
Correct. In 19... No, you lose 5
Another
points, with the
task.
Pirate Party in third place. It also became the European country with the highest proportion of female parliamentarians, ahead of Finland and Sweden. You may not confer. You can ask one of you.
Manchester Mantle.
Austria? No, it was Iceland. Right, 10 points for this. Cotton wool consists almost entirely of what carbohydrate substance? It is...
St Anne's Archer.
Cellulose.
Correct. Your bonuses, St Anne's, are on birds which migrate to Britain in winter. I want you to identify each bird from its description. Firstly, Calidrus canutus, a short, stocky wading bird. It shares its common four-letter name with the unit of speed.
Final weapon.
That's not the one you can see.
The pistol.
Swift. No, that's not 4.
No, it's a knot, K-N-O-T.
Okay.
5 points for this. Secondly, Cygnus columbianus, a relatively small water bird compared with other members of its genus. Its two-word name refers to a British naturalist noted for his wood engravings and the use of white line printing.
It's not a ferret. Somebody's swan. Something swan.
It's got to be swan,
Yes.
isn't it?
Which of the swans is it?
So, see you guys
Very
later.
swan.
Goodbye.
Buick swan.
Oh.